Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia 9. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with non. Now let's select swipe, and then let's select pin. Next, let's select password, and to create password add at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern you have to connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, we can go to biometrics, and the first biometric is fingerprint unlock. Enter it, add fingerprint, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can use fingerprint to unlock the phone. Now let's go to the last unlock method, which is face unlock. Add face data, and now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.